Hi, this is Classic Techart, and welcome to another video. As you can see to my comparison, this is music, notes, tune, Lego design. So this is very simple and very classic, modern Lego design. So if you watch this video clearly, you can learn something from here. And I'm gonna talk. I will start. Let's begin today. We need to first of all we need to little bit smaller and to the counter side as usually. So it's make a perfect to see and to watch clearly. So first of all, what we need to do, go to the dashboard and I select Loops tool. I need to back. I need to change the color. I needed to add. I think it's okay. A little bit here. Let's be add. I think it's too much. It's good. So I need to just copy, edit, copy, edit, as in form. I need a little add. It's good. It's okay. That's fine. So what we need to do, I need to just it's music. Need to check what we need to do again. And it just rectangle and it just better. It's okay. So I need to change the color. Up the true color. I need a different color. Need it. So it cannot do. So what we need to do, I need to stick and take this one and that one by shift key again. And select together. Pressing shift key there. Okay. So what we need to do, I need to go to the over here. It's okay. No problem. Can do this one also. Metal side. And it's okay. Little baby here. Need that. And so I need enough. That. More. Better. I that. And stick this one all. And go to the object. Expand. Okay. And now, right now, just go to the all unnecessary things. And edit things. See how easy in the world thing. Also, I need to do also. Okay. I need to now just add. It's okay. Change the thing I add. Great. Change the color and thing. It's okay. So a little bit. So I need to like that. Okay. Color. Okay, that's fine. I need it all together. Things. Most important thing is colors. Yeah, keep it there. Okay, change the notice into there. Okay, there. Get it to over. Select all the things. Check on all the things. Okay, I'll just cut shape and volume more. Okay, more clear. All is fantastic. I will change the color. Color is matter. I will change clearly. I need to now just typing. Need a little bit here. I'm with music. Edit it there, there. Okay. And another thing is that need is one and tune a little bit possible. Also need a little bit. Okay, that's fine. And it's looking very nice. So I'll just change the color, I think. Needed to change the color. Okay, this is okay. Take a little bit. Music, change the color, right? Very good. Change this to color, color, red color. Yeah, I think it's good. Color, and a little bit like that. Okay, it's same with previous done. Previous. You see, it's good. Paste, change. Okay, same with previous. They're all guys. Fantastic music. That's logo design. So if you need to promote your institution or the company, this, so let's try and let me message. You want to talk up here. Thanks.